I'm here to show you today 2 more blocks from my knitted sampler throw, and these are the cable blocks. I've knitted the bricks and the diamond blocks. These are slightly more complex. We have here standard cables, but because the quilt is reversible, I have put cables on both sides. There's a slight variation with the original one that I made. You can vary this according to your taste at the time. Here I did an interlacing cable. This time I've done cable within a cable, just to give variety and greater texture to the block. But the pattern for this is fully explained row by row.